Kasi na ceremony. This is the third time University of Nyamira Ekobanga it's being queried.
Commission.
The first time President Agateba Iga Ekoba Akagenda. Months later, I saw some generals, army generals, with the same negos. He handed over the second general. Now which can take into view. The time it was handed over to some generals.
We covered that.
You covered, isn't it?
Yes.
And then another time, Nandeko handed over to the CS of the same ministry where those generals came from. Oh my God, we stopped to politicize everything. Now in that place, you had my friend that day Nyamoko, University. This is the third time, meaning it was being done because of the by-election Ekerenyo. Now he said that in his speech. Ekerenyo University. That is when you realize people are becoming comedians. Commission for University of Education, there are reports of Nyamira University. I asked the commission, and then into the report to our agency, we asked queries. No one has ever responded to them. But it was being handed over to the defense. The other day, they actually responded categorically, the CEO. I'm not aware of that. I'm not party to it.
Of the handing over?
Yes, that's why you never saw us there. Did you see Q there?
No, I didn't.
In the budget, I have never seen a line item for Nyamira University. The budget for Ministry of Education passes through the Committee of Education.
Yeah.
I've never seen it. So, Nyamira University is there by right. The constitution, every county will have a university. So, there is no single person or required. No, the law dictates. It's a matter of when. And I usually say, let us follow the procedure. Now, in the future, we are funding problems. Which is stuck. Completely stuck. Because even the funding becomes a problem later on. So, I am a supporter that Nyamira needs a university. But the politics around it now is becoming comical. So now it's a pure sham. And if Bakoyaga support, let them build it. I don't have a problem. But think on about the Namotu, procedurally, Mbiraba done correctly. Yeah.
Ora, idea che ne comincio a cacciare che era un